I am down and oh my soul so weary. When troubles come and my heart burdened be, and I am still and wait here in silence until you come and sit a while with me.